In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning gradient effect using Paint.net. This is a great way to enhance your digital artwork, whether you're a graphic designer, an artist at heart, or just looking to spice up your visual projects. Now, let's dive in and start unleashing that creative potential. The first thing you'll want to do is open Paint.net. If you haven't already downloaded it, make sure you do so because it's an incredibly versatile tool that's not only user-friendly, but also packed with features that can elevate your graphic creations. Once you have the software up and running, you'll be greeted by its interface. It may look a bit daunting at first glance if you're new, but trust me, it's more straightforward than it seems. As we explore, you'll see just how intuitive this process can be. Next, you'll want to direct your attention to the Gradient tool. It's conveniently located on the left-hand tool palette, and it's represented by a small icon resembling a series of color strips. Clicking this tool begins the magic of blending colors seamlessly across the canvas. Now let's focus on the color wheel displayed near the bottom of the screen. This is where you can let your imagination fly by choosing the two colors that will form your gradient. Adjusting these colors is as simple as clicking on the wheel, which allows you to select from a spectrum of hues. If you have specific colors in mind, you can manually adjust the RGB values or type in a hex code if you're aiming for precision. This flexibility makes it so you can achieve practically any color combination you desire. As you begin to select your colors, think of the mood or message you want your gradient to convey. For instance, vibrant, contrasting colors can add a pop of energy and brightness, while a more subdued palette might impart a sense of calm or professionalism. It's all in the impression you wish to create. Once you've settled on the perfect duo, you're just about ready to apply them. Creating the gradient effect is wonderfully simple. Click and drag your mouse across the canvas. Watch as the gradient smoothly transitions between your chosen colors, creating a captivating visual effect. Drag horizontally, vertically, or even diagonally to see how each direction creates different styles. You can play around by undoing and redoing the gradient until it looks just right to you. And there you have it. Your beautiful gradient is complete. A simple yet powerful tool to bring depth and vibrancy to your digital work. I hope this guide has been helpful, and I encourage you to experiment with different colors and gradient placements. Thanks for joining me today, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your creative projects.